Good morning, everybody. Got some crazy hair going. It is kind of late. It's like 9 a.m. and conference started at 7. I've been in the hotel room working. I got a podcast published. I got a YouTube video edited and published. I'm working on updating client macros now, working on getting everything ready for the Keto Brick launch. I'd love to be in the conference, but there's times like right now when you just have to work on things. Like nobody else is doing this. I got to do this. So when you're traveling, you still got to get stuff done. So that's what we're doing right now. Crystal's on the bed working on something. What are you working on? Client. She's working on clients. I think we might take a break and get a cup of coffee. So let's do it. All right, so I'm taking a break from the clients. We're gonna go work out. Danny, Mike, myself. There's a gym that I haven't been to. Danny, you've never been there, right?
Nope.
Mike has though, right?
Yeah, Mike loves it. Armbrust Gym.
Armbrust Gym. It's supposedly a super cool gym, so we're gonna go there and see if we can do some legs or something. But Danny and I, both of our HRVs, our recovery, just in the tubes. My feet are killing me.
Apart.
We're just falling apart right here. So we have Topo Chico waters, but we don't have a bottle opener. So we got
do what you gotta do, man.
Oh, grab yours.
There we go.
This is some ingenuity right here, man. All right, y'all, we are at Armbrust Gym. I think this is the same gym that Phil Heath works at because there's a sign that says Phil Heath parking only, so it's kind of crazy. Check it out, check it out.
A little warm-up action.
Yeah, buddy.
How many reps you doing on the first one?
I'm doing 20 on this one, but I'll do 15 on the others.
Nice.
This gym's pretty sweet.
Nice work.
So I'm straight when I'm extended,
Yeah.
and I bend them when I go up.
Right. Nice. There we go.
All right, y'all. We got the three of us here. Just finished up at the gym. Rocked Armbrust Gym. This is the gym, Phil Heath. You did most of the cardio.
Yeah.
We did
Call it
some
the
legs.
Mecca of Mile High.
The Mecca of Mile High. The Mecca of Mile High. Good workouts. Go get something to eat, y'all.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What we doing, baby?
Earl Nightingale.
What we doing?
So I'll text
We
you
are
too.
at the same restaurant we were at yesterday for lunch, and we're gonna get
good.
wings
Yeah,
and burgers
usually-
again, I guess.
Yeah, buddy. What you getting, Mike?
I'm gonna get what you guys recommended, the burger.
Are you gonna get any wings?
I'm not a wing kind of guy, personally. Nothing wrong with them, but I'll probably get the signature mountain burger, no bun.
Nice. Danny?
3 burgers, man.
3 burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
That's beautiful. Right
Looks
there.
pretty solid.
You got the same thing?
Got the same thing.
4%. So, insulin is a hormone that many of us implicate in being causal, or at least very meaningful and significant.
All right, so that talk was by Dr. Bickman. He's talking about metabolism and fuel in the body. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna rewatch all of these on the downloads. So I'm gonna get educated and tell y'all what I find out. All right, y'all. I forgot to show this earlier, but when we were at already forgot the name of it. Armbrust Gym. I got this cool water bottle, stainless steel water bottle. I got Crystal a shirt,
Super cute.
and then I got a shirt.
Wait, this is the back of my shirt.
Oh, I didn't see that. What's it say? Mile High Mecca. I like it. What does this one say?
This one says.
I got this one for me.
Name of the
Armbrust
gym.
Pro Gym.
And the same thing on the back, but just little.
Nice. Love it.
Thanks, babe.
All right, y'all. We're gonna round out this conference. We're gonna go to the Q&A session right now. Check out some of the vendor booths. So get ready for that. Crystal is always trying to match.
I'm not
me.
always trying to match. Robert's trying to match.
Always trying to match.
I got ready first today.
All right, y'all, so there's honestly not that very many vendors here at all, but there's like vendors around the perimeter of this room, and in the middle, there's these poster presentations where you can just like stop by and read and check it out. But all the booths you've seen, I think.
Yeah.
Select Savory Seasonings, Keto Mojo,
Keto Chow.
Keto Chow, Adapt.
The Foxhole Kitchens.
Yeah, but pretty good little setup.
So please welcome to dear.
All right, y'all, the conference is pretty well over. Well, it's not over, but it's over for us because we're not staying for Sunday's show because we got to drive back. Danny's headed out. Danny, always a pleasure, man.
Always
Love you,
good,
bro.
man. Love you, brother.
And we'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so there's a bunch of these little boutiques in here. Cool little stuff. This is all in the hotel. Alright, y'all, I think I'm about to go for a run. When I was running yesterday, and there was a whole bunch of like just fields of like mud. And I think I'm gonna grab my running cleats, like my all-terrain running shoes, and just run through that. My feet have been killing me lately, so I feel like if I'm running on a softer surface as opposed to like the pavement, won't be as much of an issue. So yeah, buddy, I'm about to be running in all those fields out there. What do you think about that, baby?
What?
Love you.
Love you.
Alright, y'all, just got back from the run. Super slow pace, like a 12.5, 13-minute mile, because it was literally like running in quicksand. I probably had like an extra 2 pounds of mud on each of my shoes, and it was like every time I took a step, I would sink down. It was rough. So I ran, shot my bow. Now, got some kielbasa sausages and a bottle of Fit Vine wine, and I think Crystal and I are just going to hang loose the rest of the night, be low-key, and enjoy the evening. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, we just got back to the hotel room. Just to give you a little recap, we went to the gift shop, not the guest shop, wine bottle opener, which is right here.
The most expensive, cheap wine bottle opener I've ever bought in my life.
It wasn't bad. It was $6. Pretty good, solid wine bottle opener. So we had the bottle of wine. We drank that. We went to the hot tub. Mm-hmm. We put the wine in our water bottles and went to the hot tub. Sat in the hot tub, drank some wine. Then we went.
Clearly drank some wine.
Then we went to dinner after that. Mm-hmm. So we were both feeling hungry. We went to this Italian joint, which we didn't think would have very many keto options, but they had this. I got this braised leg of lamb, and it was delicious. Fall off the bone, just delicious. And what did you get? capricado.
Yeah,
Is that how you
beef
pronounce it?
capricado, something like that. It's
Basically
like a very
raw almost.
almost raw, like very thin beef. And then there was arugula and capers and parmesan on top, and it was delicious.
Yeah, it's very, very good. I had a piece of hers. She had a piece of the lamb. Very tasty. And now we're gonna go to bed. We're tired. We're gonna wake up at probably 3 or 4. Hit the road early so we can get back at a reasonable time. We're gonna have to pull over somewhere at a Starbucks tomorrow, which is our Sunday, and we're gonna have to like get everything ready to launch the keto bricks. So we're gonna do that. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow for sure, but it'll be a good day. I'm hoping and praying for a good, successful brick launch. Everything goes smoothly. Hope everybody loves that new coconut cream flavor. Yeah, a lot of good stuff going on. This has been a very cool conference. I've really enjoyed it. I haven't seen that many of the presentations, but I'm going to watch all the downloads. We watched one today by Dr. Nadir Ali, who I have a lot of respect for. He's a cholesterol master. He had some really interesting points on LDL cholesterol, so I'm going to dive into that on a video soon as well. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.